Welcome back, fellow adventurers, to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic that's going to inspire and empower you all to reach new heights. In this episode, we're diving deep into the secrets of being extraordinary and unlocking your inner potential. So, grab a pen and paper, because we're about to embark on a transformative journey together. Before we dive into the practical steps, let's first understand what it truly means to be extraordinary. Being extraordinary isn't about being better than others. It's about surpassing your own limits and maximizing your unique talents and abilities. It's about embracing your authenticity and striving for excellence in every aspect of your life. Step 1 on our quest to being extraordinary is self-discovery. Take the time to reflect on who you are, your passions, and your strengths. What makes you truly come alive? Identify your core values and align your actions with them. Remember, authenticity is the key to unlocking your extraordinary potential. Step 2. Set ambitious goals. Extraordinary individuals dare to dream big and set audacious goals that challenge them to grow. Break down these goals into actionable steps and create a roadmap to success. Don't be afraid of failure. See it as a stepping stone towards progress and learning. Step 3. Cultivate a growth mindset. Embrace challenges and view setbacks as opportunities for growth. Believe in your ability to learn and improve, and never shy away from acquiring new knowledge and skills. Remember, extraordinary individuals continuously evolve and adapt to new circumstances. Step 4. Surround yourself with inspiring people. Build a network of individuals who uplift and motivate you to reach your full potential. Seek out mentors who have achieved greatness in their respective fields and learn from their experiences. Remember, you become the average of the people you surround yourself with, so choose your circle wisely. Step 5. Take consistent action. Extraordinary individuals are known for their relentless pursuit of excellence. Develop a habit of taking consistent action towards your goals, even when it's challenging or uncomfortable. Push yourself beyond your comfort zone and embrace the process of growth. Step 6. Practice gratitude and positivity. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude and appreciate the blessings in your life. Maintain a positive mindset even during difficult times. Remember, extraordinary individuals find strength in adversity and use it as fuel to propel them forward. Finally, Step 7. Embrace failure as a stepping stone to success. Don't be discouraged by setbacks or mistakes. Instead, learn from them and use them as valuable lessons on your journey to greatness. Extraordinary individuals understand that failure is an essential part of the path to success. And there you have it, fellow adventurers. The 7 steps to being extraordinary and unlocking your inner potential. Remember, it's not an overnight transformation but a lifelong journey of growth and self-discovery. Believe in yourself, dare to dream big, and never settle for mediocrity. Together, we can create a community of extraordinary individuals who make a positive impact on the world. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Until next time, stay extraordinary.